Dear Promise users and followers, in this video we'll cover adding new documents to QMhub. Adding documents to QMhub involves 3 steps. First, creating a new document. Second, interlinking the document. And third, publishing the document. In this Dutch example, I already have 2 documents with instructions, or as one wishes, standard operating procedures to improve sound while making these videos. While recording these videos in our Greenwell studio, there is some background noise and a light echo. So I documented the settings and steps on how to reduce these interfering noises with the goal to have this knowledge available for others using this studio. And this is pure situation-specific knowledge that should be on demand available for others to post-process their recordings fast and efficiently without reinventing the wheel. And my guess is that for you, it's not so hard to convert this scenario into situations in your company. So for this video, I just have to create 2 intermediate QMhub pages to connect my general home page to these 2 procedures. Now, we use these videos not only as instructions, but also to make potential users aware of our products. So in that way, making these videos is part of our business development. It can also be argued that by using these procedures, they assure that our videos are of a reasonable quality. Therefore, relating them to quality management is a viable argument as well. In QMhub, you can make many multiple cross-disciplines connections, so all perspectives of users can be supported easily, making finding a document very straightforward for all users, no matter their viewpoint. In order to use the correct symbols in my new pages, I first open the legenda, where, defined by your company, the symbols are explained. As you can see in the legenda, it is opened in a new tab, so you can easily use it as a cheat sheet to pick the correct symbols. To add the first intermediate page, just click on the plus icon in the header. Now fill in a new title and description for your document. These elements are used as metadata for the search function of QMhub. The more fitting title and description, the more likely others are to find your document. The title should be compact, as well as the description should be elaborate with background information, like the function of the page, and more details about this new document. Next, click Start to start building the new page. QMhub will open the editor. For general use of this editor, we refer to available information and instructions on YouTube and the internet about Draw.io application. Some useful links about Draw.io you'll find in the comments below. Since this is a new intermediate page, and for the sake of this video, I'm just placing a single reference element with the content make and or edit a video. With concern to elements, this page is so far complete. Note that all changes while editing are auto-saved in real time. To make the second intermediate page, with all reference to video editing, select the tab with a blue Q icon and again click on the plus icon in the header. Now fill in the title and description for this page and click Start. In the tab bar, one sees that the internal reference number of this new document is 19. I will use this number to connect the 2 pages. Therefore, via the tab bar, I switch back to the previous document. In this document, I right-click the element and from the context menu, I choose Edit Link. And in the Edit Link dialog, fill in the internal reference number to the page you want to connect to. In this case, that will be number 19. And then click OK to establish the connection. Via the tab bar, switch back to the new blank document number 19. I now add two reference elements to the page. One with a reference to the document about echo reduction, and a second one with a reference to noise reduction. To get the internal reference number for the actual content, switch to a document in view mode. It doesn't matter which one you choose. And enter a suitable search phrase, in this case the word echo, and start the search. In the search output, you can browse through the results to locate the document you are looking for. By clicking on the copy icon next to the internal reference number, the number is copied to the clipboard. Switch back to the new document via the context menu, open the Edit Link dialog, and paste the value 12 as a link. Repeat the same sequence with the search phrase noise and link it to the second element. And you can now publish the documents. Click on Publish in the editor and a dialog appears with Publish Settings. Here, one can set all properties and metadata for this document, like editing title, description, share options, access points, and digital signing. Details about publishing documents are covered in another video. Click to the Publish button to make the documents available for all users. In the tab bar, the Q icon turns from orange into blue. Verify the links by browsing through these pages. If one finds a wrong link, just use the Edit button to modify the link into the correct one. Switch back to the document 18 and publish that one as well. As final step, you have to link the first intermediate page, 18 in this case, to the main page and the element Business Development. Open the main page for editing and link the Business Development element to page 18. And publish this revision of the main page. It is required to describe your modification while publishing. In this case, just type Edit link to new main page for Business Development. And a new revision with the link is now available in the system. Finally, browse through all the new pages by following the new links just as a final check. That's all for this episode. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I'll see you in the next video.